I received this light to try it out and give my honest opinion. So I took it out in the mountains and tried it out. In a minute, I'm going to show you the results of that. But I'm going to tell you a bit about it first. It features a 40 SST LED chip with a lifespan of 50,000 hours, 90-degree swivel head, powered by a single 18650 replaceable lithium battery. The flashlight battery is charged through the USB-C, stainless steel clip, built-in strong tail magnet, can be used to any metal surface. Lockout function in case accidental operation. Anti-reverse connection protection to prevent the circuit from being damaged due to reverse connection of the battery. Intelligent mode memory. Intelligent temperature control. Okay, intelligent temperature control, if you leave it on turbo too long, rather than damage the bulb or heat it up, it'll drop back down to high. Intelligent memory is if you shut it off on medium, when you turn it back on, it's going to be on medium. Now it's got low, medium, high, turbo, and strobe, and a lockout mode. It's got a swivel head, which I'll show. USB in the back, and a lanyard, and a magnet. I use this at work. So in the video, you're going to see it used. See the results of me trying it out, and if you are interested in the details down below, there will be a link to where you can find it or check it out. Okay, I'm going to show you this new light I got. Button here, USB there, removable clip, reversible clip, magnetic back, handle, removable, and this can go 90 degrees. Here's the turbo, strobe, low, medium, high, low. There's that one. Look at it. Pretty strong. There's back to straight flashlight. That bush back there in the center of the screen, the darker green one, that's probably about 200 feet away. The top of this ridge is probably 100, 100 and a half. Top of that ridge over there is probably about 300 or 400. That's way up there. Very, very strong light. Very nice light. Turbo, 1500 lumens. High, 180 lumens. Low, 30 lumens. Moonlight, 3 lumens. Strobe, 1500 lumens. Now it says it's drop resistance 1.6 meters and waterproof IP66. I'm not exactly sure how IP166 is, but we're going to test that out. We're going to test that waterproof out. So here we go. Drop proof 1.5 meters. We'll test that. We're going to test that. Here's about 1.5 meters. Okay. Still working. 6061 aluminum. Now. There it is. It is still working. Underwater. On turbo. So again, great little light. Pretty tough. About a meter. Lens is not broken. You can see where it hit. I'll show you that in the daytime. The ding in the metal, the aluminum. But still works. Working great. Look at that. That's what they call moonlight, or moon. Low, medium, high, strobe, turbo. A lot of frogs. Drop proof, waterproof, great little light. Link in the details down below. Okay, here it is on 90 degrees, clipped to her chest. Look at this. So if she's fishing or if she's doing something, hiking, filtering water, while camping, boom. She got her hands free, clips on there. And then when she's walking back to camp, and then you can convert it right back into a regular flashlight. Whatever you're comfortable with. You're working on your car. I myself am a machinist. I'll show you some photos where I use this at work. Clip this to your machine. You can get all kinds of different angles. I know it's just 90, but on the way to 90, it's 90 at full, but on the way to 90, you can get all kinds of different angles. Nice light, huh?
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice.